Alright, so this is my trade ideas. I'm trying to grow this small account. The account was at $16. I already took a couple of trades yesterday which closed, some in profit, some in loss, but I ended the day in green. So maybe just to look at the history. So yeah, these are the trades I took yesterday. You can see I had some small losses and some big winners. So the goal is to try, so we begin with $16. Yesterday we ended the day at 61, so today we're beginning at 61, and the goal is to try to flip this to as high as we can get it go. Hopefully if the trade I'm in works out, it will get me another $40 so that I can get it to the $100 mark. So yeah, so this is just market structure, nothing really fancy. You can see there is an area of resistance here which price broke out aggressively, and now prices come back to retest that area. So I'm anticipating that it will continue going down because it has already shown us that it's breaking this level, and once it breaks this level, then we expect it to go down to the previous area of resistance or support. So there was an impulsive move here, and you can see there was very little resistance while it was going up, so I don't expect it to struggle too much once the retest happens. I don't expect it to struggle to dip lower. And so yeah, so I expect it to go down. So I have two positions on this. My first TP is at $37, my second TP is at $52, which will place me well above the $100 mark. I'm actually just looking for $40 on this, so my first TP should be sufficient to get me there. If I'm wrong, if the market decides to continue shooting up, then I just take the loss. I've placed my stop loss. I have two positions, so I'll be losing around $15. No big deal. If I'm wrong, that's just part of trading. I'll take the loss and come back and look for another setup. I'm also watching, so this is on the crash 1000 index. I'm using Deriv broker, so I'm trading these synthetics. So I'm watching this other chart, exponential growth index too. So I'm looking for a reversal pattern. You can see I've noticed an important level here which I've marked. This is an order block that caused that huge movement previously. So I was anticipating that once price reaches there, it will do the same, but I'm waiting for confirmation. Looks like it decided to dig a little bit deeper. I still believe it will come back and reverse, so I'm watching this for reversal pattern. Once I get it, I'll also enter the trade. So yeah, I'll be back with an update. So currently my two positions are floating nicely. Well, not yet in profit. We are currently floating at negative $2 running positions on this pair. So yeah, this is the 1 hour chart, so it takes quite a bunch of time for it to play out. So I'll be back in a couple of hours. This is Saturday night, 7:46 p.m. GMT. So it may need to play out the whole night, but we'll see. I'll be back in a couple of hours, or maybe tomorrow after church, to see whether we hit our stop loss or whether we go towards our TP. All right, bye-bye. All right, quick update. Just woken up. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and the trade is about to get to stop loss. So looks like I was wrong on this setup, which is okay. But I took the other setup that I was waiting for. I looked on the H4 and I saw there's a trend line, so I quickly plotted it there. And as you can see, it's reacting from the trend line, and that trade has pushed me into profit already of $64. I think this has potential to keep going up, so I will trail my stop loss into break even, then I'll hold it. But for this other trade, I'll just leave it to see if it gets to stop loss or if it will reverse. So that's where we are at. So let me wait to see what happens. I'll give you an update. Alright, here's a quick update. It's currently 11 PM Saturday night. The trade is still running. I came dangerously close to being stopped out, so I moved my stop slightly higher. The reason I did that is because I noticed we have some important structure here, and so it's always better to put your stop loss above the structure. That way, if it came and broke this structure, then there was no need to remain in the trade. So that was a safer place. Plus, there was a fair value gap below here, where I believed price would come to and then get rejected to the downside. Looks like that's what's happening. I'm still in drawdown though, and I have 2 positions running on the trade now. And yeah, I believe it should start going down from here, although it may go down a little bit, then come back, then probably continue going down. So that's a quick update. I'll be back tomorrow. So I'm back again with a quick update. It's 6 AM. Trade is still playing. A few pips to stop loss. I'll let it ride and see, but it looks like it will hit stop loss any minute now. But the other trade is going on nicely. It has placed me over the $100 mark. Remember, that was my goal for the weekend. This was trying to flip $16 to $100, which I believe I have. So I'm going to take this profit right now. Oh snap. I can't close the trade because the market has closed. Well, no worries. I'll just wait until the market opens. It will probably have retraced a little bit, which is fine, and then I'll be able to close the trade. So when that happens, I'll give you a quick update. If I come back and it has already retraced and bounced from this area, then I'll see no reason to take the profit. I can continue holding it into the new week. It will probably push up to this area of resistance and possibly higher. So I'll wait to see what that happens. I'll give you a quick update later. Quick update. It's around 2:30 PM. Just came from church a short while ago, and I found the trade closed, the one that was nearing the stop loss level. I can see it stopped me out. So these are the two trades that it stopped me out. So I lost around $20 on that trade. And this one is still running. The other trade that was in profit to the morning still running, and I just took another position a short while ago because I believe the box that I drew here, the purple box, this is the level I expected price to reject from and go up, and it went below it initially, then it broke back in. So I think this was just a false breakout to trap sellers. So it should now go up from here, and I'm expecting there is no resistance above this level. As you can see, just a series of red candles, so it should easily fly back to this level of resistance where I've put my first TP, and the second TP is all the way up there. So if this trade works out, I should be positioned very well on my account, because the first TP is $200 and the second TP is $300. So I'm looking to make some nice profits. To be honest, I don't know if I'll hold all the way to full TP. I may probably close one position early, but what I'll do is that I'll let it run to see what happens, then maybe I'll trail one position. But yeah, so that is what I'm looking at. I'll give you another update if the trade continues to push up, or maybe if it decides to stop me out. Whatever the case may be, I'll be back with an update. So another quick update. I've just collapsed all the positions, and I forgot to press record. While I was doing that, I thought it was recording. So, but you can see my balance is now $100, which was my target for the weekend. It's now Sunday, 4:39 p.m. and I've managed to flip this account from $16 yesterday up to $104 today. Quite a feat. You can see the history. These are all the trades I've taken, and as you can see from this is I'm using the seed trader from Deriv broker. So that's it. So I've been able to hit my target for the weekend, and I think I'll stop there, and maybe the next goal will be to flip it from 100 to maybe 500, but we'll see. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.